Hi everybody, and welcome to my video. This is Blockchain Better Have My Money. Today we're going to be talking about how to set up your Yoroi wallet and send Cardano ADA from Coinbase to Yoroi and then delegate to a stake pool. First, you want to go to Cardano.org. You always want to go there to get the correct information and get the correct wallets, right? This is your single source of trust. There's a lot of fakes out there, a lot of people trying to steal your money. And if you go to Cardano.org, it's going to give you the correct information and give you the correct download link for your wallet. Click on individuals and then you go to Daedalus or Yoroi. Daedalus is a full node desktop client. It's very thick, takes up 7 gigs of space on your drive, where the Yoroi wallet is a thin client. It'll work with your web browser or it'll work on your mobile phone. Today we're going to be working with the Yoroi wallet, but definitely if you're a power user, you can experience and play with the Daedalus wallet. So from there you click on Yoroi wallet, it takes you to yoroi-wallet.com, and here you'll have different options for downloads. I use the Brave browser in this case, which is a very secure browser for crypto especially. It's built off of Chromium and it has more of the crypto and security features. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Chrome, but there's options for other browsers and for mobile devices as well. So here, after I click on that, I'm going to add to Brave. It's basically going to give me the option. It's going to add it as an extension inside the browser. After it downloads, it's going to install, and then from here, I'm going to go ahead and click on the pin options for Yoroi so I can always see it on the top right of my browser. Now it's going to go through the installation process. Go ahead and hit continue. I agree to the terms. Hit continue again. For today, we're just going to go ahead and go with the simple wallet, and then we're going to go ahead and skip the payment URLs. Confirm, and then here we have different options for wallets. Now I always recommend a hardware wallet like a Ledger or Trezor is what's supported in this case, but today we're just going to create a normal wallet in the system. The last option is restore wallet. In case you ever lose your computer, you'll be able to restore it here. For the currency, we're going to go ahead and pick Cardano. We're going to create wallet. Here we're going to create a password. And so basically this protects the private keys that it's going to be on your computer. So anytime you want to do a transaction where you're sending your coin over to somebody else, then you're going to go ahead and input that password. So make sure you put a secure password. Here it's barking at me because I didn't have enough characters, but here I'm going to go ahead and add some more. So make that super strong. You don't want anyone to be able to access that. We're going to go ahead and create it, personal wallet, and then this is your recovery phrase. So basically these are your seed words. Your seed words are the most important things. Nobody is going to be able to restore your wallet, right? Not me, not Cardano, not anyone. These words are the ones that you're going to need to restore it. So at this time, you'd want to write them down on a piece of paper. You don't want to take a picture of it where it's connected to the internet or copy and paste it in TextPad or something like that. You want to make sure you write them down, and then you want to make a copy of that and you want to store it in multiple safe places. I mean, you could have it one at a family member's house, one at your house in a safe, somewhere hidden, and I have a few different copies. So here it's asking for verification. So the words it just gave me, it wants to make sure that I know what they are. So I'm basically putting it back here. Now, I wouldn't normally show these words to you, but since it's a demo, I'm going to go ahead and do it. After the video, I'm going to take the coin out of this wallet so no one will be able to access it, and I won't use this wallet anymore. But just the purpose of making this video, I'm going to go ahead and do that. So these words are the most important thing. You never want to lose that. All right, this is how to recover your wallet. So to accept my words, and I accept the recovery phrase, hit confirm here, and my wallet is set up. So now we want to get coin into the wallet. We click on receive, and then it's going to actually show my wallet address there. I'm going to go ahead and generate a new wallet address by clicking on the green button, and then see it has a new address there. I can go ahead and copy that, and then from there we're going to want to go to Coinbase.com. Now you can go anywhere that you have Cardano ADA. In this video we're going to go to Coinbase. It's just been added to their list of coins, and from here we're going to click on the buy and sell, and then click convert. Now, I already have some Ethereum that I want to get rid of for obvious reasons, and I'm going to go ahead and click Ethereum on top, and then Cardano's all the way in the bottom of the list because it's the newest coin that they've added. Click Cardano on the bottom, and I'm going to use all my Ethereum. Comes up to 58.31 ADA. Hit convert, and then it's gonna basically exchange my Ethereum for Cardano ADA. So now we have 58 ADA. Now, this is just Coinbase. There's also Coinbase Pro, which you go to pro.coinbase.com. Now, this gives you a lot more power as far as your trading. It's also cheaper. It's a little bit more for advanced users, but now, it doesn't matter which one you use, either Coinbase or Coinbase Pro. So I'm going to show you both examples. From here, we're going to want to deposit, and this will be basically sending it from Coinbase to Coinbase Pro, and it's free. There's no charge for that to send it between regular Coinbase and Coinbase Pro, but I just kind of want to show you both ways. So we're kind of setting it up here, and then we're going to go back to Coinbase, and I'm going to show you how you would send it through Coinbase. So you go to send and receive. We're basically going to click send, and then we're going to send all Cardano. It's on the bottom. And then from here, we're going to put in the address that we copied earlier. Now we want to make sure that is the correct address before we send, because you don't ever want to send to the wrong address. So now we go back to Coinbase Pro, and we want to get our ADA from Coinbase to Coinbase Pro, and from here we just choose Coinbase up top. It's send from Coinbase. Now we have that ADA in Coinbase Pro, so we want to withdraw it. From here we click withdraw, we do a crypto address, we enter in, we paste the address that we copied from Yoroi earlier. We want to use this address, and then we're going to verify this. I just normally verify a few characters in the front and the end of the address, make sure they're correct, and also that I'm not like missing anything in my copy and paste. You don't want to send to the wrong address because then you won't receive your coin. So we go ahead, and so we're going to repaste that address. We're going to use that address. We know it's valid. We checked it before, and it shows that it's a valid address. Coinbase checks that for you. We're going to use the max amount of coin we have to 0.2 transaction fee to be able to send that, which is not very expensive at all. And we hit withdraw. Now from here, I have a two-factor authentication set up. So this is important when you're setting up your account to make sure that you set up the two-step verification. Basically, it's that 30-second code that gets sent to either Google Authenticator or Authy. There's a multitude of apps you can use. And then you hit withdraw ADA, and basically it starts that transaction. And it's basically being sent from Coinbase over the Cardano blockchain into your Yoroi wallet. So we'll click done over here, and we're going to go into the Yoroi wallet so we can basically check our funds. We're going to click on the dashboard tab up top, and then we're going to hit refresh. And then we're going to see if our ADA has been sent yet, and no, it it hasn't, so we'll go ahead and refresh it once more, and we'll see if it's arrived yet. And congratulations, it looks like the funds have arrived in the Yoroi wallet. Now we have taken it off the exchange where Coinbase runs and manage, and they're in control of those coins. They don't give you access to vote. They don't give you access to stake. You have it in your wallet. You own your wallet. You own your keys. And so from here, we're going to delegate to a pool. We click on delegation list up top, type in BBHMM, blockchain better have my money, hit search, and then there's that pool right there. And we have, shows the ROA of 5.14, which is pretty good. Click delegate, and from there, it's going to process. It's going to tell you what the transaction is like. It's going to put all the ADA that's in your wallet, and it's going to charge you just over 2 ADA to be able to stake your coin. Now, when you're done staking, if you ever decide to stop staking at some point, then you'll get that $2 ADA back. But for now, they kind of hold on to it. And so we need to put in our super secure spending password there. We're going to go ahead and hit delegate. And that's going to process a transaction on the blockchain and successfully delegate it. So now every 5 days, you're going to receive a reward on your coin for staking the pool. And so we can verify that it's in fact being delegated to BBHM. We type it in again, hit search, and then you can see that it's grayed out right there. You can't click on it, and basically it's there. Now your coin stays in your wallet, but you're just delegating your wallet to a pool. And from here, you'll be able to see those rewards over time. Now, it does take a little bit of time for your stake to become active and for you to receive rewards. It's about 5 epochs, and there's 5 days per an epoch. I want to say thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you learned something, and let us know if you have any questions. We are here to help. Be safe out there, guys, and take care. Bye-bye.